Good afternoon everyone. So welcome to the another class. So students, tell me one thing that what we have learned in that previous class. Do you remember? Yes, the meaning of population. What was the meaning of population? Can anyone tell me? Yeah, right. And along with that, further what we have studied? The aspects of population. What was it? Population growth. And further what we have studied? Yes, the four factors of population growth. Which were they? Birth rate, death rate, life expectancy, and next was your favorite. Everyone has remembered that at that time. Migration. Yes, very good. Tell me one thing, that is population always in increasing numbers? No, it is also in the decreasing numbers. So now this increasing and decreasing, it depends on which factors we have learned in that lecture, right? We have learned the four factors of population growth. Which were they? Yes, 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 yes. Birth rate, death rate, life expectancy, and fourth one was migration. Very good. So like population growth, there are more aspects of population. So in this class we are going to learn one more aspect of population, that is distribution of population and its factors. Okay, so can you see these two pictures? Yes. In both the pictures, is the population equal? No. What is the difference between these two places? What is the difference? This is densely populated, this is less populated. Okay, I understood that there. But what is that difference that you can see in that? Why is this place more populated and this place is less populated? Why? Tell me that. Okay, apart from the population, tell me what is the difference between those two pictures? Yes, this land is flat and this land is slope. Okay, this is flat land and this is sloping land. Okay. Um, so according to these pictures, the flat surface area has density high of population, right? High density of population. The place that has flat surface has the high density of population. Why? Can you tell me? Yes, because it is suitable for living. Very good. Now see the another picture. What is this? Just you have answered me. What is this? A sloping land. Okay. Why people do not live here? Because it is not suitable. Obviously, sloping lands, the houses cannot build for long durability. Okay. So people mostly get settled in the place that is flat surface. Okay, now see this next picture. What you can see in this picture? Yes, the place has availability of resources. Yes, availability of water, good climatic conditions, and yes. And what about the another picture? That does not have the resources that we want for living. Very good. So tell me one thing, in both of this, which place is more suitable for living? Good. The place with all availability of resources, the place which has availability of resources. Okay. Where will you prefer to be? Which place is more suitable? The place which has availability of resources. Very good. So understood how this population is distributed? So the population is distributed accordingly. Okay, so like populational growth, this distribution of population also has its factor. So you can all see this picture on screen, right? You all can see this chart. Okay, so there are many factors of population distribution. We will go through them one by one. So now tell me one thing, after looking at this chart, what do you understood by it? That there are factors that affect population distribution. Okay, right. Yes, correct. There are not one factors but many. We will see them one by one. Which is the first factor? Physical factor. Can anyone tell me what can come into the physical factor? Location, climate, soil. Yes, good. What is the next factor? Okay, soil. Are you going to prefer a place where the location is not good, where the climate is worst, and no soil can hold a building or construction? No. Why? Because they are not well to live. They are not safe as well. The next factor is economic factor. Now, can anyone tell me what is economic factor that affects distribution of population? Okay, are you going to prefer a place where there is no agriculture, no industrial occupation, no job opportunities? No, right? You will choose a place where you can have all the economical factor around you, right? Yes, if there is no marketing facilities, no transport facilities, no one is going to go and stay there. Yes or no? Yes, but why? Why? Yes, because human needs are to be fulfilled. They need a lot of things daily. They cannot live without this factors. Very good. They cannot live without factors. Human wants are unlimited, and for fulfilling this needs, we have to transport or travel from one place to another to fulfill those human needs. Right? Exactly. What is next? Political factor. Now answer my one question. Are you going to choose a country which is not safe for you? Yes. Are you willing to go and settle in Syria? No. Why no? Because there is a danger of lives 24/7. Right. Yes, right. We cannot live in a place where there is no security, no economic stability, and bad economic policies or government policies. Understood? Yes. So, what is the fourth factor? The last one is social factor. Now, tell me which are they? What are the social factors? Where there is discrimination in caste, race, religions, customs, and traditions. No one will like to be a place where they are discriminated, right or no? Yes. So, no people will live in a such place. Some people have been distributed according to their race, religion, caste, and so like this, the population is distributed among them. Those are the social factors which affects the distribution of population. Understood? Yes, teacher. So let me take a short recapitulation. So first, what we learned? We learned the meaning of population, on which basis the population is distributed. Population distribution is a pattern in which people live across the globe. The population distribution is distributed on Many factors such as geographical factors, availability of resources, type of region, etc. And we also studied the factor affecting population distribution. Which were those factors that affects population distribution? Which were there? Physical, economical, political and social. Understood the factors? Okay. So based on today's lecture, I am going to give you a short evaluation questions. So you have to solve them. Here is the assignment. Find out the factor affecting the people living in the Kashmir in India. Whichever the factors are, it can be physical, economical, political or social. Just you have to write 5 factors of it. Okay.